Boys ready?
Let's go, boys.
Yeah.
Come on. Bro.
Yeah!
Oh, fuck.
Dang it. Here. Bro, hey, you're up next.
Yeah! Oh, fuck.
You ready? I got you. You're up, bro.
So just jump, don't like jump straight down for obvious reasons, but like jump like 5 feet down, you'll be good. Like you can see, here, come look.
Jump out.
Cause you can see where the rocks are and shit.
Yeah. Okay.
So like you jump past that, but
Right,
it'll be super easy.
So death there.
Honestly, like that might not, like if you jump right there, it might not even like be death, because that's still pretty low.
Right.
That's death though, yeah, like right there.
Alright. Well,
Who wants to go first?
I'll let the professionals take over first. I'll watch.
Alright, I'll jump first. You guys just got set there. It's waterproof?
3, 2, 1, send it! Feel good? That's it! Let's fucking go! I both this! Both this! Woo! She wanted it so bad. Woo! Woo! Clean out there. Yeah, a little bit. Woo! Ooh! So clean. It was a good day to come here. So nice. Flip! Do a flip!
What does the kid do when you up in that tree?
You jump?
Nah. Say get down from there.
Get down from there. You're good, you're good. Quick. Quick. Woo! Yeah, baby. Come on, go. Holy. Yes, boys. That was fucking scary. That was sick.
Yo, hey Steve, when you went, there was like
People
an
kept going a little too quick.
I know, dude. No, I was fucking scared.
I almost didn't jump out. Ben, you get that? Fuck yeah. We definitely need to work a little better on that one, but that was good. I'm never doing that again. Ricardo was just like, go. This shit was sick.
fucking stopped on the last guy.
You were like, yeah, you're sick.
Did you get me at all?
I got you.
Okay.
That shit was fucking sick.
Going to the big one, boy.
Good luck, my friend.
Oh my god.
That shit didn't look too bad. That didn't look too bad.
That didn't look bad at all. Terrible. Mason, when you jumped, you literally sprinted.
It's because I ran.
You sprinted off. I swear to God, you landed like we're like.
He is.
Oh my God, dude! This first day cliff jumping. First day.
Woo! Let's go! Michael, how was it? Michael! He can't even talk. If you jump, Steve, you'll have bigger balls than me today. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it. Alright. Michael! You got this? How was it? Land on your feet. Oh, you almost looked at the end. Oh, you almost looked at the end. Let's fucking go! Yo! Fucking good shit! My eyelid just fucking good popped. Shit! Oh shit! What happened to your eyelid? Yeah. You good?
Woo! Yeah, I'm good.
Steve, you got this!
Y'all got this shit.
This is your first time cliff jump. Hey, this is first time cliff jumping. He jumped this shit.
Y'all got this shit.
Yeah, hey, don't look, just do it. Yeah! Oh my god! Good fucking shit.
Fucking God!
Good fucking
Let's
shit.
go! Woo! Hey, Jordan! You see that, Jordan? Yeah? Let's go! Let's go!
He smacked his face a little.
Yeah.
You good? You good? Hey, look, you face flopped a little bit.
I landed on my back.
Oh, you're good? Did it hurt?
It really wasn't that bad, right?
Good fucking shit, dude. Good fucking shit. Go! Go! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah!
Oh my God! Holy fuck!
Good fucking shit.
Let's go!
I can't believe we're all jumping this.
Oh my God! I would not do this if there wasn't this many people.
Me neither.
I had no intention of doing it.
Let's go! Yeah!
Yeah, baby!
Good fucking shit.
Yeah, let's go, Brian!
Let's go, Brian!
Brian. You're all good, bro. Let's fucking go! Woo! Let's go! Run, baby! Let's go! Come on, let's go!
Yeah. Let's go! You literally got this shit. Woo!
That's my boy!
Oh shit!
Hey!
How'd that feel?
Let's go!
Let's go! And everybody jump!
Everybody hit that shit.
Everybody jump! Let's go!
Let's go, Ellie! Enjoy this so much!
Ellie, you're on next! Yeah!
Yo, I swear to God in my life, I was not gonna do it. No, there was no way. 10 minutes ago, I was like, there's no way.
There's no way for me either. I can't believe we all did it.
We're some land dolphins.
Walking as long as I can.
We're tying off from the cops right now.